We have more from the American Rights Media Agency. We're still at the No Kings rally in Smyrna. Getting this other end that I wasn't able to get to. How about a little bit of Benny Hill for you? Here's the restaurant and bar district down through here. Some good places to check out. Don't know who all hosted this, but please like, share, and subscribe. Comment as well. Get the conversation started. So most of them are leaving out, but probably won't be a whole lot of them left. We'll try to blur out that music here in a little while. Smyrna, Georgia, No Kings protest is breaking up quite a bit. A few people left. This was all full 30 minutes ago.